Children, of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and choose Apps. Now you need to choose Dual Apps over here and click on Create. Following that, tap on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Amazon Shopping. Then choose Turn On over here and wait. Now when I click Home button and try to access Amazon app, I can see that mine was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!